Consciousness. Consciousness means awareness, feeling, essence. Consciousness towards every action done by our physical body. Consciousness about every thought that we think in our mind. Consciousness about every emotion that we feel, and consciousness of soul of our real self. Consciousness of action by our physical body while you are walking or running. You must be conscious about every part of your physical body taking or involving in that action. While you are running, your feet, fingers, toes, legs, thighs, hands, arms, shoulder, chest, your whole body that is involved in running. You must be conscious about every part of your body that is involving, that is, you say, participating, that is, you say, is doing the process of running, or you are walking. You must be aware of your feet, toes, fingers, legs, thighs, hands, wrist, your shoulder, chest, back, head, every part of your body that is in action. You must be aware of that. That is called consciousness of body. While you are eating, to be aware for every action done by your teeth, tongue, mouth, hands, fingers, wrist, every action done by your physical body in the process of eating. You must be aware, you must feel, you must know. That is called consciousness. While you are listening to some music or listening to some talks or listening to some other things, you must be conscious about your ear. You must be conscious all the body parts that are taking part in the process of listening. Or suppose you are watching TV, you must be conscious about your eyes. Every action that is done by our physical body, we must be conscious about that. While swimming, running, walking, taking bath, or going to sleep, or any action, reading, writing. Suppose you are writing something, you must be conscious about your hands, your fingers. So, to be fully aware, to be conscious about every action done by your body is called body consciousness. Second one is mind consciousness, thought consciousness, or you say consciousness about the brain, upper part of your body. Suppose you are thinking some thoughts, be conscious about that. What are you thinking? Be conscious about that. Suppose it can be done easily while you are sitting. Suppose you are sitting silently doing nothing, then you are thinking and thinking, going on thinking and thinking. A lot of thoughts, a lot of ideas are running through your mind, through your brain. Then to be conscious about every idea, about every Thought is mind consciousness. It's very important. As soon as you become consciousness about your mind, all the thoughts stop. They stop for some time and your energy is raised. You get energized. And third one is you say consciousness about your heart, your emotions. Heart is the place where Jivatma, you say Jivatma lives. It is the place, it is the home of Jivatma. All the emotions, good or bad, evils, bias, pleasure, pain, passion, compassion, all the emotion of joys and sorrows that we feel, you may say bhav, emotions. Heart is the center of all the emotion, and here Jivatma lives with mind and wit at surface level. You say intelligence. With intelligence, soul, your mind, your intelligence, your ego, they live here in your heart, which causes all the emotions. That is the center of emotion. It's very important to purify, to purgate the heart. To purify, to be aware of, to be consciousness, to be conscious of heart means purgation of every emotion. Purification of heart is the purification of soul. Here, the soul, with all the karmic bonds, live here. What we all have to do is to purify the soul. That is only possible by purifying the emotions. It's your feeling, your emotions that comes out in the beginning, turns into thoughts, and then they turn into actions. Heart is the producer, heart gives birth to all the actions. Here it with mind and all the emotions, it works here with the soul, and that comes into action. Every action starts from here with the help of mind. Mind is very powerful, it controls everything. When it comes in contact with soul, ego, and other emotions, it do whatever it likes. So it's very important to be conscious about the heart, its emotions. So focus, concentrate, and aware on your heart. And fourth one is soul consciousness. That is your real self. You must be aware, you must check out what is going on in your body at physical level, at mental level, and at the level of heart. That is to check, that is to be aware, to live with soul, is to leave the world, because yourself, the real self, your soul doesn't belong this world. Our body is made up of 5 elements that belongs to this world, the elements of this world: earth, fire, water, sky, air. These 5 elements constitute our body, that we live here, but when the soul leaves us, so we must be consciousness we can shift our focus, we can shift our awareness, our feeling. First of all, try it, begin it with your body. All the physical body activities, you must be conscious of that. Every action performed by your senses, your five senses or your physical body, that must be aware of. After that, you must be aware of your mind, your brain, and then about your emotions, about your heart, and then about your soul. That's all, to be conscious.